welcome to Jiva Yoga Life. My name is Kemi and today I will show you how to make 5 delicious juices that are so good for your pregnancy. Would you like to discover new yoga flows and healthy recipes? Subscribe to our channel and click on that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. So to create this colorful beetroot, carrots and oranges juice, you will need once again beetroots, carrots and oranges. To make a warm sunset in a glass, you will need carrots, apple and ginger. Very tasty. Carrot juice has so many benefits for you and your baby because it's rich in beta carotene, which really helps to develop the eyesight for you and also your developing baby. So here you can juice around like 6-8 carrots depending on their size. If you want a really tall glass, add, like if you have small apples like we do, 4 apples should be enough. If they are bigger, maybe you can divide them by 2. And a good chunk of ginger. Here again, it's going to depend your sensitivity to the spiciness of ginger. In our green juice recipe, we are using celery, spinach, apples and some lime. Greens are full of nutrients and they are low in sugar, so your insulin doesn't spike. We're just adding a little bit of apple, so here we're just going to use 2 small apples. You can put more if you want. It's to add some sweetness to the juice. A little bit of lime, here again is to taste. 1 should be enough. And yeah, you want to juice a big celery and 2 handfuls of spinach. For the pineapple mint honey juice, you will need, guess what? A pineapple, some mint and some honey. So the size of the pineapple, it depends on how much you want to juice. The amount of mint depends on how much you love mint, and you sweeten with honey to your taste. Okay, so to make our Mexican juice, you will need some guava, a fruit that is widely available throughout Mexico and that is really rich in vitamin C, E, carotenoids, isoflavonoids that boost immunity and protect the body of infection and illnesses. You will need some cayenne pepper, because you would not be Mexican if there was not some chili somewhere, and a little bit of lime. So the amount of guava you need, well, it's going to depend on how much you need juice, I would say like about 10, 20 would give you like 1 or 2 portions. The cayenne pepper is to your taste. Be careful not to overdo it. Better to put it little by little. And lime, maybe 1 or 2 to your taste again. Alright, let's see what we got. So good! Oh my god! Guys, this is a wild success. Incredible. Simply divine. A killer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these recipes as much as I do. Have a good day. See you next time. I hope you enjoyed today's video. To get the exact measurements and learn about the amazing benefits of today's recipe, click the link in the description. See you next time.